Sterls, where are we going? We're going for a hike? That wasn't a very long one. Stop. Good boy. I'm coming. What are you going to do? Oh no. Am I stuck? Come and get me. Sterling. Thanks for your help, buddy. Sterling. One for you and one for you. Whoa! You ready? Go get him. Good boy. Oh, is that a good run for you? Oh, it's Sterling. So you got dirty enough? The mini bath. Hey, Sterls? Getting a little bit cleaner. Oh my goodness me. We had to give you a mini outside bath, haven't we? Hey? A watering can bath. Where you going? You want to go out in your towel? What if the squirrels see you? Okay then, come on. I don't see any. I think you're good. What are you doing?